Hello friends and welcome back. It's me, Mimikaki Mommy. And I literally am just jonesing for a chip. My daughter, I said, you can have chippies after supper. She's already eaten her supper. I said, you can have chippies as long as you eat the veggie dip that I made earlier. I made baba ganoush and nobody else likes eggplants. I'm the only one in this house that likes eggplants. Can you believe? So please, if you like ASMR, yeah, so that's good baba ganoush. Mama knows how to cook. So here we go, reacting to a random person, well, a randomly mixed family member's ears, because I don't know whose I took first. But this is the last of the earwax cleaning session that I took. So I'm pretty sure it's my baby's. We shall see. Here is this spoon. Let us begin. Yeah, teeny tiny ear holes. This is my baby's. So the problem with her ears is, what is this called? The thing that people get pierced that are like super trendy? I don't know. Woo! Yeah, baby got earwax. Baby's got wax. Okay, that was really, really cringy, but I love it. Somebody make me a song. Baby's got wax. Because she do. She do. Ooh, I see a crusty piece back there, but I don't think I don't want to venture that far in there. Yeah, so but by this point, my Mimikaki had been heated up, and she's going, ow, hot, hot. So it really doesn't get hot, but it's warm. It's probably uncomfortable for a baby. So I had to go pretty darn quick, just to make sure that she wouldn't like squirm, but she does like getting Mimikaki. She'll find the box and go like this. More ASMR, y'all. She'll find the box and she'll go, kaki, 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 like this. And I'm like, no, honey, Mimikaki, because kaki is a fruit. Kaki is persimmon. So, ooh, what is that? Oh, that looks like dog hair. Or maybe the tissue fluff. Yeah, I kind of had to go rushing around here. I probably didn't clean it as well as I could. Ew, gross. Okay, yeah, I definitely didn't clean it as well as I could have. But New Year's resolution is a little bit late for that, but I'm gonna try and clean it a little bit better next time. Maybe use a baby wipe, because those definitely clean better. Or I'm drawing a blank here. Cotton pad with like makeup remover pad. Ooh, yes. Yeah, baby got wax. Yeah, she's like me. She like just has a ridiculous production of wax. Like, I don't know how she produces so much wax. Like, I could probably scoop her ears every day. Okay, no, that's a stretch. Every other day, and get a ridiculous amount of wax. Like, I have to clean my ears pretty much every other day, and I get a ridiculous amount of wax. Like, my husband is like appalled. Oop, that was it? I didn't go back in for more? Yeah, I think she was complaining too much. But yeah, no, she makes a ridiculous amount of wax. I can make candles out of the amount of earwax that comes out of that girl. You found the gokiburi? Here. Don't say gokiburi. So, all the houses in this area. Okay, gokiburi, only gokiburi. Don't tell me gokiburi, no gokiburi there. Please. I know you like saying gokiburi. Okay, so gokiburi is cockroach. Jello. Gokiburi is cockroach in Japanese. And I genuinely didn't know what the heck these bugs were when they appeared what felt like out of nowhere on literally every house in my small town and Lethbridge and outside of Lethbridge. And I had no idea what they were. And they were always on the sun-facing side of my house. They didn't migrate to the other side for whatever reason. No, sorry, no jellies. And they all looked like roaches. Like small roaches with like red markings and like flying. Ugh. So I went at them hard with the cleaning vinegar, the 20% or whatever vinegar, and they just migrated inside when it got cold. And I spoke to my neighbor who's like, I don't know, 75 years old. And he's like, yeah, they just kind of do that. If you don't kill them, or even if you do kill them, you call the exterminator, they will just migrate into your house. So like, as the weather gets really cold, just kill them as hard as you can. But until then, they will continue to respawn. And these bugs had a respawn rate of like over 9,000, man. These things were disgusting. And they were everywhere. And I literally just can't. Thank you. Hi, sorry, it's me. I literally just can't deal with it. So my husband says he flicks three a night. And he's out here gaming and videoing and whatever until like 2 in the morning. And so he says he gets like 3 a night, like on the desk, or like flying on him like this and like that. And I'll just find random dead gokiburi, like box elder beetles. Good job, baby. Yes, thank you. She's eating my dip. Oh, I'm so proud. So yeah, anyways, these bugs are disgusting. And if you can hear my kids yelling gokiburi, that's why. I may have to flee the scene, and I don't have time to retake this. Are you kidding me? I am a mother of 3, almost 4, and I have not got time for that. But I appreciate your presence here watching these videos of me cleaning my kids and my husband's earwax. I don't do mine with this Mimikaki pick because I don't like the feeling. I like the bamboo. I don't know. Nostalgia. That's probably what it is. I feel like it's better. And I don't like the stainless steel picks. I forgot you guys can get stainless steel picks too if anybody's into that, because you can probably clean it a lot better like a surgical equipment. But closing out, let's do some more ASMR because I just want another chip. I'm pregnant. Shush. Let me eat. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Enjoy. Or no. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Let's close this thing. How do I do this? I'm also a tech noob. Just want to let you know. Just in case you see me fumbling. That's why.